The shoot is only the first half of the story. Now let's check out the edit. This is the raw image in Capture One, and here it is with the adjustments applied. Out of 300 frames, I picked my favorite 5, which were composed together using Photoshop. This is the base image, then masking in the lime, blending them together with a curve layer, adding a better lime trail, the splash, the drip, and finally a small patch on the right side of the glass. Once the composition was ready, I move on to corrections, cleaning up condensation, refining the overall image, making individual adjustments, vignette, high pass for sharpness, and finishing with the clouds. Final edit, capture on adjustments, and raw image. For the video I combined 2 shots, one with the splash, this one, and one with the lime. Then I exported one frame, cleaned the sand in Photoshop and masked it back in. The same grade was applied across all shots. This is the original, then the onset loot, a white balance node, primaries, HDR, curves, color adjustments. After that, sharpening and separate adjustments for lime, sky and glass. Finally a vignette, darken the glass shadow, and the texture node. That's a wrap for the post-processing. See you in the next one.